Good morning. Today I am going to discuss about materials and specification. So whenever we are going to discuss about any components like steel structures or RCC structure like concrete structure, different components will be there. For example, if you take a slab or beam or column or anything, so it is the composition of materials like steel will be there, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. So in this model I am going to explain about the steel properties. So what are the materials, what are the specifications will be there, like that. So before going to explain, today steel has made possible some of the grandest structure both in past and the present days. Why? Because in past days also, in nowadays also, even you can see when if you take any bridges, so here some apartment will be there, so here some apartment, so here this full of water. So to connect the system we are going like any truss structure, so like this we are doing, so we are constructing like this. So in this manner here the girders will be there. So in this way the vehicles or trains or any buses or any transportation purpose will use from shift from one place to another place to cross the river or cross the pond or lakes or anything. So that's the reason we are using from the ancient to until nowadays. So structural steel is widely used in the making transmission towers. So you can see when you are passing in the train or passing in the village from one place to another place or city to town, you can see a big transmission towers will be there. So in this manner will be there a big transmission towers. So here we can design the steel everything by transmission towers, and industrial building will be there. So industrial building will be in this manner, warehouses, so on so. Then bridges I already discussed. Then storage structures and water tanks. Storage structure is nothing but for if you go to Hindustan Petroleum or any oil corporation or any liquid petroleum gases, there you can see some storage structure even in nuclear bomb. So when the storage of uranium, plutonium, the final tank proposed, so these all also will be in the steel. Because if you go in concrete you will get the deflection, so it will lead to the crack. And water tank also sometimes we are using the steel water tanks. You can see near to the railway station you can see the water tanks. So that is about the things, and this is the anatomy of the entire course. So you have to see about beams, columns, floors, flashing system, foundation and connections. So beams you know everyone, like fixed beam or any simply supported beam, and floors, the floor should be in the in this manner floors will be there, whether it will be one way or two way, anything floors will be there. Then bracing systems. So bracing systems, if this is the frame, so this is the bracings. Then foundation should be at the bottom, so foundation, that connection of steel. Then finally connections like bolted, welded, so simple connection, eccentric connection, this all we will discuss. So next this is the model 1. Actually model 1 means the combination of CO1 and CO2. Here I given like advantages, disadvantages, types of sections, material overview, then structural design, loadings and loading combinations. So these are the textbook usually I will follow before I am coming to the class or solving in the classes and tutorial sessions. So design of steel structure by CPS publishers and McCrankill, and analysis and design by SS Roy. So these are the various codes we will use. So IS 800 2000 is very mandatory, so this is need. Then SP6 for steel detail design, and this is reframer. Reframe means IS 808 also is there, but IS 800 is mandatory, that is enough. Then IS 875 for design of truss, and then IRC vehicle load for bridge structures. So this is the codes we need to use. So these are the different types of steel structure you can see, like Indian standard junior beam, light beam, medium weight beam, wide flange beam, heavy weight beam and column section. So you can see we can denote as Indian standard junior beam as ISJB and LB, medium beam, weight beam, wide flange beam, heavy beam, then section. So section also different sections will be there. So you can see in the right side of the diagram, so from top to the bottom overall depth of the section, then B is the width of the section, then central axis, then moment of inertia, all the things will be available. So next one is channel section. So you can see here channel section is nothing but like a C type. The channel section main thing is we will discuss about the Avro and everything in detail manner while we will discuss in the class and tutorial section. tutorial sections. Then in channel section you can see junior channel, light channel, medium height channel, and parallel flange channel. So next one is angle section. So in the angle section, equal angle will be there, unequal angle will be there. So equal angle means both sides same direction, LX, Ly. So unequal means so Lx would be greater than Ly. So this is the unequal section, and you can see here R1 root radius and R2 is the toe radius, so all the things. So these are the different types of angle section. So this is T section, like normal T bars. Normal T bars is available. Next deep T bars will be there, and light T bars will be there, and medium T bars will be there, and heavy T bars. Here also you can see total overall height, depth, width, all those things. So this is the rolled steel bar section. So in the rolled steel bar section, round section is available and square section is available. So you can see here if ISRO 100 means it is a ISRO 100 means it's a square section of 100 mm, and if it is ISSQ 50 means a diameter of 50 mm. So depend upon that we will denote rolled steel bar section. So this is the rolled steel seats and strip. So seat section ISSH and the strip section is ISST. So this is about different type of sections materials. So the properties I can see, thermal properties will be there, fatigue strength will be there, then density will be there. So all of those things are there. So this is the main and crux of the topic 1. So about this detailed discussion we will discuss in the class. Thank you.